Borro, you can unlock the equity in your classic or luxury vehicle without selling it. With over a decade of experience, more than $1 billion in loans funded, and 25,000 satisfied clients, Borro is the trusted choice for liquidity when you need it most. Visit Borro.com to learn more.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke. We are still here in Monterey, and I want to show you guys another very cool car that we spotted. So back in 1950, the Aurelia arrived, and it was delivered under the direction of engineering legend Vittorio Jano. Now, some would say that this was kind of revolutionary. It was the first production V6 and an all-independent suspension and a rear-mounted transaxle that made this thing handle better than anything else on the road. In closed B20 GT coupe form, it was a giant killer, standing on the podium at the Mille, Le Mans, the Targa Florio, you name it. But in 1955, the public's cries for an open-top variant were finally answered with one of the most beautiful Italian sports cars. It's what you see here today, the Aurelia B24 Spider America. Built in June 1955, this car spent decades with two long-term owners before master restorer Stephen Bell fully returned it to factory spec back in 2013, earning it Best of Show at the 2014 Colorado Concours. It has since received over 28 grand in expert mechanical work. As we take a look at the exterior, Pinin Farina's design right here screams post-war romance. It's low slung, it's perfectly proportional. You've got that long tapered hood, and of course, that gorgeous wraparound windscreen. I just love how clean and sleek it is. I mean, you've got the subtle chrome bumperettes, the concealed door handles. In factory correct Grigio Newmarket, the car shape takes on a sculptural quality. It really catches the light along the fenders, and it just flows into that dramatically pitched rear deck. You know, it's restrained, but absolutely captivating, and might I even say elegant. All right guys, so let's talk about what was powering this thing. We're not able to open up the hood, it's not our car, so we can't exactly see what's going on, but let me tell you about it. So, like I said, that first production V6, this was a 2.5 liter V6. It was smooth, it was high revving, and producing a whopping 118 horsepower. Everything about this vehicle has been nicely sorted. The carburetors have been rebuilt, the suspension's renewed, and the brakes refreshed. From what we can see on the interior, these Vimal leather seats look exactly like they did back in 1955. They look period correct, they look supple, exactly the kind of seat that, you know, someone who was continental touring would be sitting in. This Aurelia is a pure period Italian sports car. It's got that thin rimmed wheel, crisp Veglia gauges, nothing really extraneous to interrupt the experience. The vibe is giving long scenic drives, preferably along the Amalfi Coast or maybe even the Colorado Rockies. This matching numbers example has been meticulously maintained. It's had a Concours level restoration done to it, and it's really cool because it can be eligible for the most historic and prestigious rallies, but it's also elegant enough to be in something like Pebble Beach. Now, I would love to hear what you guys think about this thing down below in the comments. That's pretty much going to be it for the video. Stay tuned because every Wednesday we're going to be dropping a new video from here in Monterey. Thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see y'all in the next video. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Remember, if you're in the market for a collector car, going over to our website, classiccars.com. That's our online marketplace with over 38,000 listings live on the site. And you can't forget about our sister website, Auto Hunter. That's going to be our 7-day online auction. Thank you guys, and we'll see y'all in the next video.